Chief Justice Owindolo and Ambassador Larutuno as God's anointed and sent on this mission of Rocco Paco. Brothers and sisters in various titles, it is an honor and a privilege for me to address this important gathering today. I join you all in thanking God for this second Gore Tongduan. I thank the co-chairs in the persons of Chief Justice Alfonso Owindolo and Ambassador Larutuno for initiating this important assembly aimed at Rocco Paco. Indeed, you are the stewards of heritage, the champions of transformation, and the visionaries who shape the narratives that define our Acholi community or communities. As you are all aware, Gore Tongduan stands on 4 pillars. Number 1, Dero Kwan, which is about education. Northern Uganda, including the Acholi sub-region, has endured decades of conflicts, particularly due to the Lord's resistance and insurgency, in which the region lost many valuables, including the beautiful Acholi culture, loss of educational infrastructures, and family disintegration. And as yet we know that education is a cornerstone of civilization and development in all aspects. Therefore, I stand to support Dero Kwan as a fundamental means to Rocco Paco. And as my brothers in the Acholi Religious Leaders Peace Initiative are here, on their behalf, I would like also to commit this body because I'm the chairman at the moment. So, I call upon the region for other development partners to support this initiative. The second pillar, research has shown that due to the aforementioned conflicts, Acholi sub-region is the poorest in the country. The level of abject poverty is very high. This is a need for us to join hands together to fight poverty through education and hard work. Number 3, the third pillar, the need for bylaws. Given the appealing situation of the loss of culture, it necessarily has to come up with some bylaws to address the cultural decline, focus on change of attitude. We need to have people who are law-abiding. The cultural values of Acholi people have to be respected. Number 4, the pillar. Number 4, environmental conservation. The Acholi people largely depend on agriculture, fishing and livestock rearing for their livelihoods. Conserving the environment will ensure fertile soil, reliable water resources, and a sustainable ecosystem that support these activities. As such, there will be stable food supply for the community. Following these 4 pillars, as a religious leader who has worked with you and my people, I call it, for the last 25 years, I also see the following points are very important in the Rocco Paco. Unity of people at all levels. The people of Acholi should unite behind their leaders. Unity helps to rebuild trust, heal divisions, and create foundation for lasting peace and reconciliation. Number 2, drunkenness. Spending a lot of money on alcohol excessively can strain the personal and the family finances, reducing resources for essential needs like food, education, and health care. We should encourage our people to stop excessive consumption of alcohol. Number 3, family conflict. Our people should focus on finding win-win solutions to family misunderstandings rather than assigning blame, which creates more problems. Number 4, domestic violence, which is following similar to that one. I encourage you to involve elders, clan leaders, and traditional leaders in spreading awareness about the importance of non-violence and respect in households. Land conflict. I encourage you to utilize the authority of clan leaders and traditional councils to mediate land disputes. Their deep knowledge of customary land boundaries and history makes them essential in resolving conflicts. This should be done through dialogue and obedient to bylaws. 6, smoking opium. I propose that you launch community education campaigns to inform people, especially the young ones, the youth, about the physical, mental, and social harms associated with opium use. Number 7, change of attitude. In order to achieve Rocco Paco, there is a need to change in attitude. We should share stories and experiences of people who have undergone positive changes to demonstrate the benefits of attitudes and behavior, especially through 1O. That is one of our best medium of changing our attitudes. Here, I would like to add, and just forgotten, we have gone through really very unfortunate situation. Trauma has affected our society very seriously. I would therefore request that we really find a way of establishing counseling units or unit to help address this issue of trauma. In conclusion, I'm optimistic that this project of Rocco Paco will bring about a renewal of Acholi society, which is possible through unity in diversity within the Acholi community. The move for Rocco Paco must begin with me, correctly noted by Ambassador Olaro on the first assembly at Pondon. I stood up to Konge. Now that I am not, although I'm retired, but I'm not tired. This will be one of my biggest projects to continue among you. Yes. Therefore, the move for Acholi religion, Acholi Rocco Paco must begin with me, as I said. If not me, then who? If it doesn't start with me now, who can be there? So I wish you God's blessing or blessings in these 3 days of serious reflection on the way to transform Acholi society. And let us not forget that God is in this project. He is there. He is the director of this Rocco Paco. Therefore, I look at Chief Justice Owindolo and Ambassador Olaro as God's anointed and sent on this mission of Rocco Paco. So, I appeal to you all. Lutua akwayo watiuka achel kilu dirumagi menenoni aloga mabe merobi ya Acholi weka Acholi uilmalo uberbene natela pi wilobo